Unleash your inner video creator anywhere, anytime with Pictory.ai on your mobile. Today, we're diving into how to use Pictory.ai right from your phone to turn your text into captivating videos in minutes, perfect for social media or your next marketing campaign. First things first, you'll need to access Pictory since there isn't a dedicated mobile app yet. We'll use your phone's web browser, open Chrome, Safari, or your preferred browser and navigate to Pictory.ai. Once the site loads, you'll see the login or sign up option if you already have an account. Simply log in if you're new, hit sign up and follow the prompts. It's a straightforward process. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the Pictory dashboard to start creating. Tap the Create Video button. Pictory offers several ways to generate videos from text. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the article to video option, which is incredibly powerful. Now, you have two main choices. You can paste a link to an article or blog post, or you can directly paste your own script or text. Let's say you have a fantastic script ready. Tap on the Paste Your Script or Text field and paste your content, then click Proceed. Pictory's AI will then get to work analyzing your text and automatically selecting relevant visuals like stock photos and video clips. You'll then see a breakdown of your script into scenes. This is where your creative control comes in. For each scene, you can easily change the accompanying visuals. Tap on a scene, then select Change Video or Change Image to browse Pictory's extensive library. You can even search for specific keywords to find the perfect visual. You can also adjust the text overlays or add voiceovers to add a voiceover. Tap the microphone icon and choose Record Voiceover. Speak clearly, and Pictory will sync it with your scene. Once you're happy with all your scenes, text, and audio, it's time to generate your video. Tap the Generate or Preview button, and Pictory will render your masterpiece. And there you have it, a professional video created entirely on your mobile device, ready to be downloaded and shared across your platforms. Pictory.ai truly makes on-the-go content creation a breeze.